back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video today, I just got this update. This update, like as you are being asking me that I should find an update that look like AI mining. So guys, this is another update. This one is new. This is a new update that is like what you are asking for. So it's just exactly as AI mining, and as you can as we all know, AI mining spent I think about 1 year before they round up. So this update here is a new update. Also, color. Also, let me just be putting you through all the updates that are like this. Also, color spent about 7 months before they go. Uh, this update also robot wallet also spent about 7 to 8 months also before they go. So this update is just like all these platform I just mentioned, especially it's just like AI mining. So guys, uh if you are interested, you can quickly join this update right now. This platform, they are still new. You can quickly join them. So right now, guys, let me explain uh the platform to you. Let me explain it to you how their investment plans go on this platform. So let me show it to you. So for example, if you want to register, check below this video, the description of this video, you will see the registration link there. This is a POS uh mining, that is proof of stake. They call it proof of stake mining platform. So right now, guys, this is their investment right here. If you want to check their investment, you click here, you click at this arrow called more here to see everything. So this is their investment right now. So you can see it, POS node mining. So all this price you see here, node price, node price, node price, by the left here downward, those are the price they sell their miner, exactly like AI mining. Those are the price they sell each miners here. Those are the price they sell it. And all the price you see here, all the amount you see here by the right downward, those are your capital you need to put in for this investment to start working for you, this node mining to start working for you. Let me explain it to you very clearly. For example, this is node 1, POS node panel 1, POS level 1. So when you click on all the node, they are valid for 10 days. That is, for example, let's say you purchase this node here at $0.1. After 10 days it will expire, and your capital will be back to your wallet, and also your profit. You will get your profit, everything plus your capital. You will get everything back immediately. And one thing is that you can cancel the mining. If you don't want to do again, you can cancel it and withdraw out your money. So for example, this POS level 1, the price of the node mining is $0.1, and the capital you need to put in is $5. So when you click on buy here, when you click on buy, you will see the amount it will generate for you daily. Like this one right now will be generating 0.08 to 0.09 for you daily. You can do your calculation, times 10, 0.09 times 10 days, to know the actual amount you'll be making on your $5. And again, the POS level 2 here, which is $20, and the POS uh, price. Mining machine price is 0.2. This one will be giving you is 0.38 dollars daily. You can do your calculation times 10 days. You can do your calculation to know how much profit you will be making. And one thing about this platform is that you can always withdraw your capital, and again your capital will be back to your wallet immediately your mining node expire. After that 10 days, your capital will return back to your wallet and you can withdraw it, or decided to use it to 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 continue your investment. If you look at POS level 3 here, the price of this or proof of stake, which is POS node, is 0.5, and the capital it need to start working for you is $50. If you click on it, you will see this one will be giving you $1.10, 1.5 to $1.10, $1.10 for you daily, $1.10. So $1.10 times 20, I think that should be times 10. I think that should be 1 point 10 or 10, yes. Let me do the calculation. It should be $11, $11 in 10 days, $11 in 10 days. This one will give you a profit of $11 in 10 days. And your capital, which is your $50, will be returned back to you. That means after that 10 days, we have about $61. You can still withdraw back all your capital or reuse it to invest. Also, POS level 4 here, the price of the machine is $1, and the capital it will need to start working for you is $100, and this one will be giving you $2.60 daily. $2.60 daily times 10, you can calculate it. Your capital will also be back. This one is $500. The mining, which is the node mining price, is $5, and this one will be giving you $15.50. The capital it need is $500. For 10 days you will be getting 50 dollars daily on this one. So that is how the platform work. Your capital will be back to your wallet immediately. If you want to deposit, you click here on deposit. When you click on deposit, if you want to go for the first one, you just click this one. It will show you the amount in naira. If you want to deposit it in naira, that is the amount, which is about 3,874 naira for both everything together. Also, if you are going for the second one, which is minor 2, you have to deposit $10.2, which is 7,598.99. If you are going for the third one, which is 15,049 naira, or the fourth one, the fifth one, sixth one, like that, depend on your capacity. Depend, because right now you are depositing plus your node price. So immediately you make the deposit. Let's say I want to make a deposit of this one right now. So you go down. If you want to deposit using this, I prefer using this or using this. I don't advise using ARC 20 USDT. Why? The reason is that their transaction fee is too high. It's always high. So Ethereum transaction fee is always high. So you can use either this, which is USDT BSC, which is USDT for Binance. Not everybody familiar with this one. So if you are not familiar very well with crypto and how it work, then don't go for this. If you are, but many people familiar with USDT TRC20, so you go for this if you're familiar with it. If you don't familiar with it and you are in Nigeria, you go for the NGN bank to just do the transfer from your bank like that. So that is how it is. Then you confirm. So that is how it is. So immediately you make the deposit, you will see your money on your account. So after you see the money on your account, what you need to do is to click here, click on more, and click on the one you want to purchase. You click on buy. You want to buy one, only one note. That is what you want to buy. So you just click on buy right here. Just click on buy. Immediately you click on buy, you have purchased it. You just need to do what? You just need to activate your account. So that is it. That is how it works, guys. That is how the platforms work. You can check the market price. This the you can check the market price, everything on what they are trading, what the bot is trading for you. You can check it. When you register, they will give you free POS level 0, level 0, which will be mining for you for 30 days. It will be mining for you for 30 days. But to get more income, I prefer going to the buy, prefer using your own personal money to start making money fast. So for example, let me show you the free boat. This is how it works. You will click here and you will see the free boat. We soon deposit now, but let me show you this. So you click here, not POS, then you click on staking. As you can see, this is the free boat given to me. This is the free boat given to me. It has its own amount it can give to me daily, and if you purchase your levels, this is how it will show. This is what it will show you exactly, depending on the level you purchase. You can click here to pause your POS. When you pause it, your money will be back into your wallet. And you can withdraw your money. You can withdraw back your money. So guys, this is how everything work on this platform. If you are interested, kindly hit check the below this video, the description of this video, register, and try try your best deposit and start making money on postgo. Postgo 999, that is the name of the site. So that is how everything work, guys. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribing button and don't forget to recommend my channel to your friends and family. Don't forget to join my WhatsApp group and my Telegram group. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Goodbye and see you soon on my next video. On this channel, I share different videos on how to make money online. Goodbye for now.